Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to compare the two of the top CRM platforms out there, GoHighLevel and Salesforce. If you're trying to decide which one is the right for your business, stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. Let's get started. First up is GoHighLevel. This platform is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses and marketing agencies. It's super easy to use with features like email marketing, appointment scheduling, and sales funnels all built in. Plus, it's affordable, starting at $97 a month, making it great for businesses on a budget. One of the coolest things about this platform is agencies can even white label it, meaning you can brand the platform as your own and resell it to clients. Now let's talk about Salesforce. This is the go-to choice for larger enterprises that need deep customization and advanced features. It's highly scalable, making it perfect for companies with complex operations. But here's the catch. Salesforce has a steeper learning curve and it's more expensive, with plans starting at $25 per user per month, but it can go up to $330 or more for advanced features. If you need powerful reporting, analytics, and integration with other systems, Salesforce is the way to go. In short, if you're a small business looking for an all-in-one solution, GoHighLevel is affordable and easy to use. But if you're a large enterprise needing deep customization and scalability, Salesforce is worth the investment.